Let's see how to customize your Logitech MX Master 4 mouse's button functions, including gesture and side buttons, and remap them for specific tasks or applications the way you like. For that, you need the Logi Options Plus app. So let's open the app and make sure the mouse is connected to the app. Now click on this animated mouse. In the button section, all the buttons with their preset basic functions will show up in here. Just let's click on any button like gesture. You can select any options from this list along with their subcategories that you want to perform with that button. Like you can set show and hide desktop, mission control, spotlight effect if it's a MacBook, switch application, and easily switch between apps by clicking over that button. Same things apply for back button, horizontal scroll, forward buttons, and you can select any action listed in here or any custom one if that option is available. And whatever you set to perform with that button, this will show up over these animated buttons in this mouse. Apart from that, if you stay on any of these buttons, you can click to add applications, and then you can set any app listed in here that's compatible with that button press, and different sets of button functions will be created depending which application you have set in here. For each application, different profiles will be created, and whenever you want, you can just click on that app icon in here and switch between all these profiles. And that's pretty much how you can customize the button functions on your Logitech MX Master 4. Thanks for watching.